Every single day, millions of people step onto escalators without thinking twice. But here's what's crazy. These machines run non-stop for years, carrying thousands of people. All that weight, all that movement, and yet they almost never break. No overheating, no snapping, no chaos. So how does a machine with hundreds of moving steps just keep going forever? And once you see what's actually happening underneath, you'll never look at an escalator the same way again. Think about this. A single escalator can carry over 10,000 people a day. That's like moving an entire stadium crowd every week. Each step is carrying weight. Each chain is under tension. Each motor is constantly working. Now imagine a machine with dozens of metal steps, all connected, constantly moving in a loop. No pauses, no breaks. It sounds like something that should wear out in hours, but instead, some escalators run for 20 to 30 years. So what's going on? This idea actually goes back to the late 1800s. The first working escalator was created by Jesse Reno, but it didn't look like what we have today. It was more like a moving ramp. Later, Charles Seeberger redesigned it into the step system we use now, and that design solved the biggest problem. How do you make something move continuously without destroying itself? At its core, an escalator works because of three simple ideas: a continuous loop, linked steps that stay flat, and a hidden track system controlling everything. That's it. But how those three things work together, that's where it gets interesting. Imagine a giant bicycle chain. Now instead of carrying pedals, it carries steps. That's basically what an escalator is, a massive looping chain system powered by a motor. The motor, usually hidden at the top, pulls the chain forward, and as the chain moves, every single step moves with it. But here's the clever part. Each step has two sets of wheels underneath. Think of it like a roller coaster track. One set of wheels follows the front track, the other follows the back track. These tracks are carefully shaped, so when the step is on the main section, it stays perfectly flat for you to stand on. But when it reaches the top or bottom, the tracks split apart, and the steps smoothly collapse into a flat line underneath. Then they loop back around and reappear again. The steps never actually stop moving. They just change shape depending on where they are in the loop. But that still doesn't explain something. If this thing is constantly moving, why doesn't it wear out instantly? This is where it gets smart. First, escalators move slowly, usually around half a meter per second. That might feel slow, but slower speed means less force, less friction, and less wear. Second, the load is spread out. Instead of one part taking all the weight, dozens of steps share it at the same time. It's like 50 people carrying something heavy instead of one. Third, they use heavy-duty materials, steel chains, industrial motors, precision bearings. These aren't built like everyday machines. They're built like factory equipment. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Those little teeth at the ends where the steps disappear, they're called comb plates. They catch anything that could get stuck, like shoelaces or debris, before it damages the system. There's also a hidden braking system. If something goes wrong, the escalator can instantly stop itself, even if the motor fails. And in many places, escalators don't actually run non-stop. They use sensors. No people means no movement. They slow down or stop to save energy and reduce wear. Now think about what's happening beneath your feet every time you step on one. A motor is pulling a massive loop of metal. Dozens of steps are cycling through tracks. Chains are under tension. Wheels are rolling along rails. All perfectly timed. All constantly moving. And yet, it feels effortless. And that's the real secret. Escalators don't last because they're simple. They last because they're designed to avoid stress at every level. Slow movement, even weight distribution, precise guidance. It's not about being strong. It's about being smart enough to never struggle. But escalators aren't the only machines hiding insane engineering in plain sight, because those moving walkways at airports solve a completely different problem in an even stranger way.